Coming to limitations of straight line methods. What are the limitations? Now students, in straight line method, same amount of depreciation is charged each year. But in effect, if we actually try and analyze this, it means that the business is actually assuming that the asset has the same utility for every year. That means this method assumes that asset has same level of utility for each year of its life. Now this is a very difficult assumption to make. I mean, the asset, when it is acquired, it is a new asset. It works very efficiently. So obviously its efficiency and its utility in the first few years of its life would be much higher than its utility over the last years. So this assumption actually makes this method a very difficult method to implement. So this is the first assumption or the first limitation. The second major limitation is that the combined effect of depreciation plus repairs, it keeps on increasing throughout the life. So it actually makes the comparison very difficult. Now how is it so? Students, depreciation for every year would be same. But as far as repairs are concerned, this part, the repairs are concerned, in initial years the repairs would be very small as the asset is new. But as when we go or when we extend the asset towards its fag end of the life, the repairs would be on the higher side. It would require much more amount of repairs. But the depreciation still remains the same. So consequently, depreciation plus repairs, in the initial years, this amount is very small, but as and when we go ahead in the life with the asset, this amount keeps on increasing. So it makes the combined effect much higher in the end years as compared to the initial years. So it makes comparison very difficult. So these are two basic and very major limitations of straight line method, that is, the asset does not have the same utility for all the years of its life, hence depreciation should not be same. And second is that the combined effect for depreciation and repairs keeps on increasing as and when we move from the initial years to the end years of the life of the asset.